What's up, everybody? It's good to be back. It's been about a year since I've had my camera stuff out and filmed the video or anything like that. Past year I've been dealing with some stuff I've had to take care of, but I'm glad to be back. As far as hunting season goes, I did pretty good deer hunting this year. Killed a 9-pointer. I think he scored 134, and then I killed 2 does. Unfortunately, I didn't get the 9-pointer on camera. I wish I would have, but it was kind of I didn't even take my camera with me, but it all happened so fast I'm not even sure I would have actually filmed it. But anyways, tomorrow we're going to go goose hunting. I'm going to be going with my buddy Trey and my dad. We're going down to a buddy of mine's pond, and the geese pretty much, they stay there. They come in there every day, and they've been in there since like summertime, and I just really haven't had time to go kill them. Been tied up deer hunting and just things like that. So we're going to go down there in the morning and see if we can get on them. We're not going to put out any decoys or a blind. There's a tree that we sit under. We're going to sit under it for a while and just wait for them to come in. We went last year and killed 3. We went twice. The first time we sat under the tree, didn't do nothing, no decoys, and just let them come in. We killed 3, and then we went the second time and put out a blind and put out decoys, and it spooked the birds. I guess because they're so used to coming in and there's no other geese. I don't know what happened really, but so yeah, we're gonna go in the morning. I'm gonna take my little Boykin Spaniel. She hasn't been hunting at all this year as far as waterfowl, so hopefully I'll get some good footage. They're calling for rain, so I'm not sure how much I'll get to film, so this might be a pretty short video, but I'll try my best to film as much as I can. And it's been a while, so I'll probably be a little rusty, so I hope you enjoy and stay tuned, and hopefully I'll get some action for you. Freaking camera. Yeah, it's
big time. Let them light up first.
Well, let's just see if they'll come, act like they're gonna land. Let them land. Yeah, that's them right there. See if they'll circle and land. Get up against the tree, can they? Oh yeah. I'll have to grab my gun. I'm gonna let y'all shoot first. Oh my God! Look at them coming. Holy crap!
Hopefully they'll land on this side.
To the left.
Yeah. Just let them do everything. Ain't them 2 coming? There's 3 right there.
I see them now.
They gonna come. They coming. Just let them do their thing. It's too high right there.
Yeah.
They're gonna make a pass. Just let them pass. Let them pass. They're gonna circle first. There's another flock to the right over the. Let these do their thing.
They come in. Nope.
They're gonna circle. They might go around the back side of the dam. Watch out, there's some to the right here.
I see them.
Just stay still though.
Yeah,
They're gonna come.
They're gonna light up.
Yep.
Right above us, right behind us.
Don't go to that field.
Yeah, they're right here behind us, right on top of us.
That's it. You think they sent us down this tree here?
I don't know.
As
They're
much
flying
limbs?
awful hard to that
Is-
field.
As many limbs as we had in the way. I can't believe that.
Yeah, they're landing in that field over there, and I say circle one more time.
No.
They're right in behind the house.
Here,
Here comes some more.
look at some more.
Right
Yep.
there. The fees are
Might
like.
shoot these. If these are low, we might shoot these. They're gonna light up. Tell me if you want me to shoot them.
Run out and shoot them.
He's dead.
He's wounded.
Yeah, they're kind of high, but we got one of them anyway.
He's swimming around. You better go kill him.
Go kill him.
Yeah,
Yeah,
he's.
either flush him this way or we'll shoot him or you shoot him, one or the other.
I had no choice. I
Yeah.
was afraid they was going to just pass on by.
Oh, yeah, I know.
They're
we
going to
have
go
a-
where them other ones are at.
Real thing that-
Oh, Trey, sit still. Sit still. They're coming. They're coming. Don't move. Shoot. Hold on. Just don't move. Hey, right over your head. They're awful high, though.
They're circling.
Hey, come run back over here. That goose is swimming around. He'll be fine. I don't think they've seen her face. The other ones were, I mean, they were high,
Yeah.
but, huh?
Geese is dead.
That's the drain pipe, ain't it?
No, that's geese.
Oh, over there.
To the left, yeah. You
I
see
guess he
swimming
fin-
that way.
I guess he finally died. I thought I seen him go up in the weeds.
Here they come. See them? Right over the tree line.
Yeah, well, that's going away though.
I see him way out there.
I thought it was coming this way. Dang, maybe I shouldn't have walked.
I didn't think they was gonna come back.
Here's some more.
Some same ones.
Or is it?
Dang.
They might come back. Just give them a minute.
Oh,
I don't know if they seen her pie face. These limbs, I mean,
Yeah, there's so much limbs in the way. It's hard to believe they've seen us.
unless they seen them geese over there or
Yeah.
heard them.
they went to them.
Yeah, maybe that was
Maybe
it.
we should have
I
waited.
mean, they was
Come to
coming
first
from
one.
every direction.
Yeah. That's probably good we shot at them three, even though we didn't get but one. They were kind of high, but
I mean,
a lot
yeah,
lower
but
than the other ones.
well, I was afraid we wouldn't get another shot. I mean,
Yeah.
unless we went, I was going to tell Jeff to go over there and flush them up.
He's in range now. If he
Mhm.
runs out there, he should be able to shoot him.
Yeah. He's right there to your left. Right there he is. Let him get out a little bit.
Shoot him?
Let him get out. All right, shoot him.
Shoot your kid.
Is he alive?
He's down.
Millie. Millie.
One more tree, maybe she'll get it.
Phew, that is a long one, ain't it?
It is. She's thinking about coming back.
That's a long one.
Yeah, so I said we should go around the other side and let her retrieve it. You might want to. I'd go around the other side and get her out.
Seen that feather. Let me go around the other side and get her out when she gets up.
Come on, pretty girl. Yeah. Come on. Well, that's how they're supposed to do, though. Yeah. That's my fault. But...
She's paddling like crazy. Come on, baby.
Come on, pretty girl. Good girl. Come on, girl. That's a good girl. Come on, girl. Come on. Good girl. You got it. Yes, ma'am. Good girl. Come on. Come on. Yeah. That's a good girl. Drag that thing up there. That's a good girl. Yeah. That's a good girl. There she is.